Hi, my name is Mary Lynn Mathry. I'm the president of Patients Out of Time, and I'd like to invite you all to the 11th National Clinical Conference on Cannabis Therapeutics. It's going to take place May 18th to the 20th at the Berkeley Doubletree Marina in Berkeley, California. We've chosen California as the location for our 11th conference, as it's the 21st anniversary of Prop 215, in which medical cannabis was allowed in California. California seems to be the hub of the research for medical cannabis. In fact, we're going to have Dr. Igor Grant discuss the research that has happened with the Center for Medicinal Cannabis Research in California. Again, we bring an array of speakers from around the world. We've got Esther Shohami, a researcher who's done a lot of work in traumatic brain injuries, coming from Raphael Meshulam's lab in Israel. We've got several researchers coming from Canada. From the United States, we'll be seeing Ethan Russo, Dustin Sulak, Sean McAllister, who's done amazing research on the cancer-fighting effects of cannabinoids. He's at the California Pacific Medical Center. We also have Dr. Greg Gerdeman and Juan Sanchez Ramos coming from Florida to discuss some of the work they've been doing in this area. The theme for the conference is Cannabis, Protecting Patients and Reducing Harm. We want to focus a lot on the problems today in modern medicine with polypharmacy. Many of these hard-to-treat conditions, whether it be seizure disorders, traumatic brain injury, post-traumatic stress disorder, or even the neurological disorders that just are very hard to treat, taking multiple medications. And often patients suffer from the side effects of the interactions of all these medications, where providing cannabis, a natural medicine, seems to be able to replace many of these medications and leave patients much safer. Literally, the reduction in harm is the reduction in the effects of the interactions of these drugs. So we welcome you all to California. We'll be having tours of local dispensaries, actually some grow areas for those who want to see how it's done for medicinal use of cannabis. Our conferences are accredited. Our target audience is healthcare professionals, although public patients are certainly welcome to attend. We'll be providing continuing education units. This is through the University of California School of Medicine, who's co-sponsors the event with us. Our main conference is May 19th and 20th. However, on Thursday, May 18th, we will offer some pre-conference workshops, specifically for physicians and nurses, as well as a legal workshop. And this legal workshop, although it's designed for lawyers, many healthcare professionals and patients may want to come to learn about what issues there are to help protect patients in their use of cannabis, as it goes from being legal in some states, not all states, still illegal under the federal prohibition. These pre-conference workshops are basically designed to give a little bit more information, general information, to specific attendees, so that they're more prepared to gain full knowledge from the conference that brings the research from around the world. At our conferences, we do like to set some time aside for veterans. This has been a huge issue for veterans, whether it be for post-traumatic stress disorder, for traumatic brain injuries, or the chronic pain from many of the injuries that they receive, especially combat veterans. We also will have a benefit dinner Friday evening. That'll be May 19th. We have the speakers coming there. We'll have an auction, entertainment. This is open to the public. It is a benefit for Patients Out of Time, so we encourage anyone and everyone to come to that event. I hope all of you can join us in California. We're really excited about coming there. Not only will you learn a lot from the speakers that we have there, but California is full of folks who've been at this for decades. So we've got some real experts there in making the product, in testing products, in dispensing them for patients. Many patient stories that are absolutely amazing. Clinicians who have worked with thousands of patients. This is the epicenter of medical cannabis in the United States. So please come learn, come enjoy yourself, and network with many, many other people with this same interest. For more information about the conference, please go to our website at www.patientsoutofTime.org, or medicalcannabis.com to register, find out who the speakers are, see the agenda, learn about the benefit dinner. We hope you can come. For those who can't come, please consider making a donation to Patients Out of Time. You might want to donate to a scholarship fund so that veterans can attend the event.